Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine, and if you had read the title, then you have already understood that today I'm going to be talking about how to lose your weight. I'm going to be giving you guys some constructive advice how you can lose your weight too, like me, the way I have lost my weight. And you can do this too, because you know, if I can do this, then you can do this too. And if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So today I have divided my video into three main parts. First of all, I'm going to be talking about dieting. Like, I'm going to be giving you guys some essential dieting, a small little diet chart that you can follow to lose your weight. If you are interested in dieting, then you can follow that. Secondly, I'm going to be giving you guys some advice about exercise, because I used to do a lot of exercise back then. Now still I do some free hand, so I'm going to be talking about that. And thirdly, I'm going to be talking about how you can keep yourself motivated over lose weight, because I have seen a lot of girls who start like losing weight, but middle of the path they drop it and they gain double weight, which is not a thing to be proud. And if you're a girl who is sad because of being fat, don't be sad, because you know, you have a hand over this to lose your weight. This is a thing that you can change, but a lot of people have a lot of problem which they can't change, and you know, they just have to deal with it. They just have to accept that. But being fat is not a thing to accept, because you know, you can change the way you look. Because you know, I have been through this problem. I'm gonna be sharing my story. If you have not seen the photo in my thumbnail, then I can show you some photo how fat I was and how I was bullied, and you know, after that I lose my weight. So without further ado, let's get started. So before heading back to the video, I really wanted to share a little bit of story from my life, how fat I was, and yes, something like that sort. So back in 2010-11, that time I was a school student. I used to go to school. So that time I was really fat. Like, I was so fat. So some people used to say that these are puppy fat, it's okay, you can lose this. But you know, after 2004 or 5, I started getting bigger and bigger. So after that I really started gaining weight, and then I become really fat. And trust me, if you are thinking that you are bullied, don't feel alone, because you know, I was bullied in every way, by my relatives, by my friends, and even from those people whom I really don't know. I was bullied in every way because of being fat. You know, you don't need to say people that they are fat, they know that they're fat. You don't need to say those people who are short that you are short, they know that they are short. And you know what, they're dealing with this problem. And you know, I was bullied in every way. Not only being fat, I was bullied a lot in my life. And at that time I was a teenager, and I used to feel really sad of being bullied, and I really used to cry coming home. And I'm really sorry if my voice is sounding a little bit shaky, because these are emotional trauma for me. And then I used to feel sad, because I really used to think that what other people think of me is really true. But now I have come to that position where what other people think of me is none of my business. Now I think of that. But at that time I was a teenager. I used to feel really sad when people used to bully me. So after that I take an initiative to lose my weight, and then I lose my weight, and I had done this. And if I can do this, then you can do this too, girls. So just don't be sad over that, okay? Because I lose my weight. I'm not saying that I'm skinny now. I'm healthy, which I really like, which I really love. And I don't want to be skinny. I really don't want to be over skinny. I really want to be healthy. And you know, that is the thing I really feel proud of. And you can do that too. If I can do this, and if you're dealing with this problem, people are bullying you or whatever, just don't be sad for that. And never ever lose your weight because of other people are bullying you. No, just don't do that for other people. Do that for you, because at the end of the day, you are your biggest company. So just don't lose weight for other people. Lose your weight for being confident, for keeping yourself happy. If you are keeping yourself happy, then you can keep other people happy. So yes, So yes, these are a little bit story from my life. Then I took initiative. I used to follow some diet, and I used to do a lot of exercise, and so those things I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So first come up to the diet part. So I know that a lot of girls are interested over diet rather than doing a lot of exercise, but I would really recommend you to do both, because I used to do both, like the exercise and the diet, because diet really don't work for a lot of girls. Even exercise really don't work for a lot of people. So I would really recommend you to do both, because I personally used to do both. But while dieting, you have to keep in mind that don't starve yourself, and starving yourself is not a solution of losing weight, because I used to do that first I really used to don't eat anything, and I used to starve myself, and I fall sick like that. Always try to do those sort of diet which really goes with your body, because there are bazillion of diet chart which we can find on the internet, like GM diet, crash diet, vegan diet, vegetarian diet, and detox diet. There are a lot of diet that you can follow, but all the diets don't go with all sort of body types. So you really have to understand your body type, then you have to go to those diet chart. Now there I'm not a specialist to give you some diet chart, because I don't know your body type. I'm just gonna give you some real advice which you can follow to lose your weight. But if you really want to go for any diet, then I would definitely tell you to go and talk with a specialist, then do some diet. So but I really find some useful video on YouTube, which I would link in the bottom bar for you guys. And secondly, I'll be talking about some diet that I used to follow. And yes, so here comes the diet chart. So don't take your food all together. So you can crush your food or crush your meal into pieces. Like you can divide your meal into pieces, then you can take it. Don't take your food all together, because at that time your body can't understand anything, and eating 6 times a day is a healthy thing. You can measure your calorie, like you can measure your calorie, that yes, I am taking 1200 calorie today, or I'm taking 1400 calorie today, and this is fine. I will not gonna take more over that. Now I'll be talking one diet chart that really helped me, that I used to follow. I would post the diet chart for you guys in the bottom bar, so kindly you can check that out. But now I'm going to be talking about that a little bit. So in the morning, like the mid morning, it's healthy to take 1 glass of water. I used to take that. It helps a lot. Or not only 1 glass of water, you can take a lukewarm water, and you can mix 1 spoon of honey, or squeeze half of a lemon over the water, and then you can drink it. This is really healthy for losing your weight. Now for the breakfast, what you can take, so you can take 2 thin roti with vegetable, or paneer, or you can take 1 cup of curry with roti. You can take that. Now after the breakfast, before 12 p.m. you can took 1 fruit, like 1 apple, 1 banana, or some grass, some fruits. Like fruits is your best friend while you're dieting. And then in the lunch you can take 1 cup of rice, 1 bowl of vegetable, 1 bowl of salad. Like there is no boundary of taking salads and vegetables. In the evening you can take 1 cup of milk or buttermilk. You can take milk is really, but not more than 1 cup. And now in the dinner you can take 2 bread, or like 2 roti with a vegetable, 1 cup of vegetable, 1 bowl of salad. But you shouldn't take any sort of protein in the night, because protein can't digest our food properly in the night. This is within 100 to 1200 calorie. So drink a lot of water, and you should take your dinner before sleeping, and you can do a little bit of exercise before going to sleep. Don't you have to be patient over that process, because you will lose your weight time to time. If you're like I have to lose weight by tomorrow, I'm sorry, you can't do that. I know a lot of people who used to do crash diet and fall sick really easily. Don't do that. I would recommend you to have some patience and then follow your diet, because this works actually. For the diet, I would say you guys do that. So now I'm gonna be talking about my second topic, that is taking a lot of exercise. Because exercise is a thing which is my hobby and I love to do my exercise. Still I do my exercise for keep my body in shape. Then you have to take a lot of water while exercising. Not while exercising. If you exercise, then your body lose a lot of water and from your body, so you need that water to fill up your body. So now come up to the exercise that I used to do. I really used to do skipping. I really used to do planks, crunch, and this sort of exercise. If you're new to exercise, you have not really done exercise ever, then I would definitely recommend you to go for some really simple exercise that will go with your body type, such as you can do swimming. The best exercise is cycling and walking. You can do this like that. So yes, you can do walking, you can do swimming, you can do skipping. This is a really simple exercise that you can do. After exercising, you will understand your body type, and then you can do the other exercise that you really prefer. I never gone to any gym, or I never gone to any specialist for those sort of exercise. I really used to do exercise at home, and with that I started losing my weight. So you can do skipping. Skipping is really good. I used to do a lot of skipping back then. I used to do crunch. Crunch helped me a lot to lose my weight. There are belly crunch, side crunch, a lot of crunch. I used to do a lot of crunch. So these are, and yes, so crunch and skipping are the two things that help me a lot. If I'm talking about the freehand exercise, then you can do the squat, you can do the cardio, even you can do the Zumba dance. I know it's a little bit funny, but you can do the Zumba dance, because if gym is not a thing for you, then you can do that things. And again, you can do some aerobics. I don't know, I really find aerobic really funny, but you can do aerobic. It really helps for a lot of girls. If you really feel shy in front of boys, then I would say you to go with the girl squad and then do your exercises. I don't have a lot of idea about gym, so I'm not gonna be talking about that. You can find this a little bit on the Google, or you can find hundreds of videos on the YouTube. If you want, I would link some of the exercise video that I used to do in the bottom part. There's no best time for taking exercise. Some prefer to do their exercise at night, some prefer to do their exercise at evening, some prefer in the morning, but I'm not a morning person at all. I used to take my exercise at noon, before taking my bath. I do my exercise and I take my bath. Along with your diet chart, I would definitely recommend you to go with some exercise that really helped. First, I know that would be tough for you to do some exercise, but after some while, your body will be acquainted with the exercise that you take. So that are the freehand that I used to do, and this really helped me, girls. Yes. So now come up to the third topic, that is keeping yourself motivated for weight loss. So that is the most important topic for me, because I had seen a lot of girls who is doing diet, who is doing exercise, a lot of things, but at the end of the day, when they see that no, I'm not losing my weight, okay, I leave everything, and then they gain double weight. So which is not a thing to feel proud of. Where there comes a question about motivation, you have to have that patience in yourself. Time to time I will lose my weight, and you have to make a goal that with this time I lose that much of weight, with this time I will lose that much of weight, and you have to stick to your plan. You can't leave your plan. And if you feel that, you will feel after some time, you will feel, and when you will go in front of your mirror, you will see that yes, wow, I'm losing my weight, and you will feel confident. But while I was always stick to my plan, so that's why I could do this. And every day when I used to wake up from sleep and I used to go in front of the mirror and I see, wow, I used to discover the new me. I used to discover the new myself, and I used to feel really confident that yes, I can do this. So you can see the new you in front of the mirror if you follow these things. Comment down below if I should do a specific video over how you can keep yourself motivated over lose weight. With that, I'll finish my today's video, because I know that I have talked a lot. So lastly, I just want to say you guys is that we can change everything with care. So if we do our diet with care, if we do our exercise with care, then we can do this too, and you can do this too. A lot of people do crash diet, fat diet, and then they fall sick. Don't lose your health for, in the term of losing a lot of extreme weight. Don't do that. And if you know some tips and tricks, you can share this with my other member. So that other people can be helped by you too. Let me know how your dieting is going, how exercise is going. You can just let me know. And if you guys have any video request, feel free to mail me, feel free to ask me, give me message. I'd love to answer all of you. A lot of best wishes for you. I hope that you lose your weight really quickly, and of course don't forget to share your story with me too. I love you guys a lot. So I'll be back in my next video. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.